What is going on, guys? Welcome to an Xbox X unboxing video, man. This thing is a beauty. Yo, shout out to my cousin, man. He let me unbox his Xbox. You guys already know. We're gonna get the S. We're gonna do the unboxing video for the S either tomorrow or Thursday, and also we will be trying to get the PlayStation 5, guys. So hopefully we get lucky with the PlayStation 5. You guys know it's been very hard to get the PlayStation 5, but hopefully we can get our hands on the PS5 because I really want that console. And then we're gonna try Thursday. You know, we're gonna see how we could finagle it and try to see if we can get a plug or just something. Get lucky on the PlayStation 5 because that's the console that we really want. And we're gonna grind up for that. But let's go ahead and just give the attention to this beauty right over here, man. You guys see this thing is just straight beautiful. So let's get started right into it. So first of all, let's look at the box, guys. Let's look at the box. I don't know my box cutter. My box cutter is right here. Before we do this, I just want to take a look at the box, guys. So first, you guys see right here, man, on the box, we have just the console itself, the mini fridge that they're calling it. It does look like a refrigerator, but I don't have console wars. I don't care. Xbox, PlayStation, they're both good. They're both beautiful, man. You guys see right here, it has the Xbox top of it itself. It says Series X right over here, Xbox Series S. It's Xbox logoing, 4K 120 frames per second, 1 terabyte SSD. So that's a lot of space, and they have an additional one as well. That's 1 terabyte. So you guys can have 2 terabytes. That's all you guys need, honestly, man. That's all you guys need. 2 terabytes. You guys won't run out for anything. So here it just shows us what it's included in here. It tells us a lot about the hardware, what's inside the motherboard, and just everything that's in there. 4K Blu-ray, 8K HDR, 4K 120 frames per second. So if you guys do have this, I recommend upgrading to a better monitor, at least 144 hertz, because so you guys can get the best out of this powerful console, because this console is honestly a beast. You know what I'm saying? And you guys see the back right there. They have the Halo. What else? Yeah, Power Your Dreams, Game Pass. Nothing crazy. On this side, they just have a picture of the Xbox, and then at the bottom, just has the cereal and all that stuff and all the logo, and then at the top, another picture of just the Xbox console itself, Xbox Series X, my bad. And let's go ahead and unbox this bad boy because I just can't wait, man. So you guys see right here, we have the box cutter. Let's go ahead and unbox this. Like I said, man, I can't wait to unbox this. Shout out to my cousin. You know what I'm saying? Appreciate it. But we will be getting the S very soon here, and we'll be doing an unboxing video for the Series S as well, and the PlayStation 5. So all consoles will be getting an unboxing video on the channel, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. Now, I don't know how you open this. I think you just open it from one side. I just went ahead and cut it from this side. It has tape on the other side as well, but we're just going to do it from this side. This thing is heavy as well, guys. It's like at least 8 to 10 pounds. I don't know if it says the pounds. Like, I'm trying to hold it with one hand so I can show you guys, but it's very difficult because this thing is heavy. So let's go from here, from this side. I think it has tape at the bottom. Or, no, it doesn't. Not trying to mess up this box. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and untape the other side. I think you got to untape both sides. I'm not trying to mess up the box, so we're going to go ahead and untape this other side as well. And like I said, man, this thing is heavy. This thing is a beast. Sharp knife couldn't cut this tape. Alright, so I think we had to get both sides, and that's why I'm having trouble opening it. And I think it opens up. So we have both sides untaped, and I think what we do now is open it from the bottom. I'm confused where to open this thing from. Yeah, we open it from the bottom. Okay, I see now. I see, guys. So here it is, and then we have tape at the bottom as well. Alright, we're done with all the untaping, guys, and all that stuff. So, guys, here it is right here. The unboxing itself, man. The console itself. You guys can see right here. I'm getting that on shot. Console itself. Me haven't even seen what you guys are looking at. But let's go ahead and see. So, the box is amazing. I love the way it comes. So, it says Power Your Dreams. At the top, it doesn't have nothing. It comes very well protected. But it says Power Your Dreams. And then it has the rectangular box right here, which is the console itself, guys. So let's go ahead and start with the console itself. We're gonna go ahead and pull this out. So we're gonna go ahead and pull this bad boy out right here, and then put all this other stuff to the side just for right now. because it's too much to hold. So you guys see right here, power. Man, this thing is heavy. Power your dreams. You guys can see right here, nothing special. Just has it wrapped up really good. And you know, this thing is not light. I thought these consoles were gonna be light because they were next gen. The PS5 and the Xbox One are way lighter than these new consoles, because the PlayStation 5 I heard is very heavy, and that thing looks huge, so I can only imagine. This thing is real small and it's really heavy. So you guys see right here, I'll open it from the bottom. You guys can see the bottom right here, and then let's pull this thing out of this wrap so we can get a good glimpse of this beauty. Man, look at this. This thing is nice. This thing is nice. Let me know what you guys think about it. This thing is beautiful. Very small. It does look like the refrigerator they're referring it to, but this thing is very beautiful, guys. So you guys can see right here, Xbox logo and the power button. Feels very similar to the Xbox One when you push it in. The disc very similar. This one I forgot what this is. I know it's to charge your thing, but I forgot what the button is for. Now I do already, I don't know if the camera's gonna pick that up. I do notice there's like a little glue here and whatever and stuff like that. Or it might be a little scratch. Nah, I think it's glue. But yeah, already out the box, we're seeing a little bit of not the best. I can't say not the best quality, but just a little stuff. I'm not gonna complain too much about that. But you guys can see the top right here, where it's the main thing of the console. The little fans and stuff where they're coming out and all that. The console's breathing itself. But I feel like this is one of the main awesome parts about this console. Just these little holes with that green inside. It looks awesome to me. It looks really cool to me, honestly. You guys can see a big fan, and I don't know if the camera's picking that up. The size, nothing special about the size, just straight black from everywhere. It looks like a mini PC. The bottom says Xbox Hello from Seattle. Hello from Seattle, and then it has the bottom base, Xbox logo in right here. You guys can see that. Yeah, nothing special. And then the back, I know you guys are waiting for the back. I was gonna show you guys the back. I was waiting to do that for last. So so here's a two USB ports, LAN cable, your extra storage expansion pack that they sell individually, your power, and then your HDMI out cable. And then I'm not sure what this is, HDMI Xbox Series X. I don't know what that is, but very cool console. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. Very awesome. Very cool. I love the way it looks. I'm gonna go ahead and place it right here so we can still see it. Take all these games out the way. So we're gonna put this thing right here, man. This thing is beautiful. Oh, okay. So that's to the side. Let's go ahead and see what else we have in this box. All the packaging. This stuff really well packaged, though. You know what I'm saying? I mean, but I've never complained about that for any console. Nothing on this side. We have this on this side, which is just a little manual on getting started. Yeah, it just tells you how to get started on your console and stuff like that. I guess you get it registered and all that stuff. So, brings this. And then I think all this brings is the power cable and the controller itself. So you guys can see, so there's an individual box. So there's an individual box in the box with all the accessories. Nothing new, we always see this for every console. PlayStation 4, Xbox come with their individual boxes. The only difference with this one, this is the biggest, individual box that I've seen. But, and go ahead and open this, and this is where the controller's at. This is where the power cable is at, all that good stuff. So we open this, and yeah, we have the HDMI cable. What I do want to say about Microsoft and Xbox, they always have high quality HDMI cables. Like, these cables are way better than the ones Sony sends with their consoles. Like, look how thick these things are. Look how thick, and then just look at it. They always send high quality HDMI cables. That's something I've always liked about Xbox that Sony does not do the best of. And then we have our power cable, just regular power cable. Nothing special about this. Our manual right here, our product warranty and all that. So if you guys want to read this, I don't think anybody reads this, but they have that. And then the controller itself, which I'm very excited to get my hands on this controller and just see how it feels. Now, I have the PlayStation 5 controller right here. If you guys haven't, make sure you guys check that video. So I'm gonna compare it to the PlayStation 5 controller, do a compare, you know, just see how they feel. And then I also have the Xbox One controller and the PS4 controller right beside me. So we're gonna see how that feels. So let's go ahead and take this bad boy out. And it feels lighter. It feels way lighter. It also brings your batteries, guys. You know, just so you guys that are asking, it brings your batteries, 2 Duracell batteries. But man, this thing feels nice. I love how the grip feels. I love the way the grip feels. So here it is compared to the Xbox One controller, and it's very similar. Like I'm trying to pinpoint the differences here. I mean, I know this is a little different. You know, this is different, and then there's a new button here, which is the screenshots and the video capture. If I was looking at the video, and then you know, it looks very similar, but it feels very different. And the main part, I don't know if this camera's gonna pick this up, is this texture here. It feels very different. It feels like you have more grip on the controller. Like it feels like you have way more grip. And without the batteries, it feels very light. But I know with the batteries, it's gonna feel a little bit more heavier. But it feels really light compared to the Xbox One controller. But this thing is beautiful. I'm not even gonna lie. Even on your triggers, it has that little you know, the little padding thing, so you guys could like grip it a lot better. And then I love how even these panels have, not the panels, the little buttons right here have the little grips as well. And then this is good. I like this. It feels like I could grip the controller. It feels way smaller than the PlayStation 5 controller. Let me go ahead and take this PlayStation 5 controller out real quick, just so we can see it side by side, because I really want to see it side by side with the PlayStation 5 controller. Now, I can't lie, you know, the PlayStation 5 controller, they made it a lot like the Xbox controller this year, and it feels heavy, like already, you know, here's the side by side, here's the PlayStation 5 controller, but it feels much heavier and just much wider in my hands. You know, it feels much wider in my hands. It feels weird for a PlayStation 5 controller, but it's something that we, you know, PlayStation 5, we're just gonna have to get used to it and you know, see what's up. But you know, I love the way this controller feels. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I love the way this controller feels, and like I play on PlayStation 4 all the time. I have an Xbox One, but I don't play on that all the time. This is what I mainly play on, and I'm used to this. But just this in my hands, I love the way this feels compared to the PlayStation 5 controller. Like this feels way better than this, because this just feels heavy to me and it feels wide. Heavy and wide. But I love the design. It's just, it feels heavy and wide. But this one feels really light and just feels like it's in my hand good. But you know, we're gonna wait and see as it comes. You know what I'm saying? This thing, like I said, is just is a beauty. Like just looking at it, I'm happy I got to get my hands on it on day one. Is just, you know, take a look at this beauty, because this thing is absolutely gorgeous. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, but that's gonna be it for this video. Let me know what you guys think about it. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Appreciate the love, man. God bless, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Let me know what you guys think about it. Appreciate it. God bless. Catch you guys on the next one. Appreciate it. God bless. Catch you guys on the next video. I think it's nice. Make sure you guys go ahead and cop it if you guys haven't. Just be patient. There's gonna be a lot more by December. You know, just try to get your hands on it. Put this on your wish list for Christmas, because I really highly recommend it, and I can't wait to start playing on the Xbox. Appreciate the love. God bless, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Appreciate it. God bless.